day I'm sick. But today I am going to be bothering the girls all day with the air horn.
That makes me go death. Oh my please stop.
So we're just outside now. Oh, nice.
I didn't even notice you had the horn right there. You little sneaker. I see your finger on it.
It's cold.
I can't get up. I need help. I'm trying to pick her up.
Oh, that's the Boricua in you. Okay, mommy. So right now, as much as I don't feel good, Munchkins
Can I hold it?
wanna go get raspados.
Can I hold it, Mom?
What are you gonna get again?
Cheetos and a hot Cheetos and cheese.
What?
Can I get these two?
No, I guess.
Just spicy. Should I get the extra spicy hot Cheetos?
Are you excited to see this movie again? The 47 meters down. No, this is what the girls got at the Raspados place. It's hot Cheetos with nacho cheese.
But she drank all her juice from it, so.
Yo, this movie is crazy. Right, Mari? It's insane. This is my second time watching it, but it gets me every time. It's crazy. Everybody left me. The diamond came to chill with me. So Maddie wants to play this game.
It's called Boom Blast Sticks.
Boom Blast Sticks.
So it's like, hold up.
They look like bones.
Alright. So it's these things, and then we we put them to. We're gonna put it like that, and then we're gonna stack them up. And if it blows up, then that's the person who's like that. For it, okay. I'm just gonna blast it and do it. That scared me.
Your turn.
Don't you blow up. Oh my god, I'm scared.
Well, because you keep scooting yourself.
My turn, guys. I'm scared. I mean, if you're brave not to get hit in the face, yeah, you're.
Okay, Lonnie.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Listen up. Okay, that scared me.
Go, buddy.
She's like, oh, it's gonna go. Don't throw it. I'm not.
But you're like out of the camera, buddy. How are we gonna see it? Ow, those things hurt.
Alright, guys, let's start the next round.
Okay.
Last night I was hecka.
Oh, your turn. Sorry.
Last night I was like hecka excited, and I wasn't even scared one little bit. Now I'm like hecka scared.
Just do it with confidence.
You guys are so scary right now.
Can you go? Ow! Ow! Stop! backing up. Come on, it's not doing it. I'm stacking it pretty good. Go, Kimani. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, but. How do they expect all these to stay on here?
That's why I do it inside of it. Inside of the bowl.
Oh, inside the bowl? Why are you so far away, Mari?
I'm scared. It's gonna whack me in the face.
Dude, this is pretty good. It's not.
Just freaking.
These are like so scary. Like you don't know when they're gonna snap.
Rip Kimani. I burped.
Oh, I feel like throwing up. Okay, go.
Your face is like
Mari, really?
scared. She looks like an angel. Like
You're such a scary cat.
it's coming.
Okay, go.
I can't go. Well, I'm gonna do it right here. I'm trying to go.
Go.
Okay. Did it. How do kids play this on commercials? They're like all happy, like, but then we're like,
Thanks for watching.
Wait.
Close out the video because I'm not feeling too good. I just want to lay down and relax. And these girls just keep wanting me to do stuff. Hope you enjoy this video.
subscribe, like, share, comment, and we'll see you next video.
We're gonna do a giveaway of $100.
I want that.
But we have to get
Can I
at
win it?
least 200 subscribers. So if you guys can please help us out and get 200 subscribers, maybe you'll be the one to win the $100.
And
So please comment, share, and
Yeah, but-
subscribe, and just share,
Okay, wait, can I tell
share
something?
until we get the 200 subscribers.
If you subscribed, tell us in the comment below so we can pick out the winner. And yeah.
Yeah, so after you subscribe, comment down below so we can enter you in
Our
the
wonder
drawing of $100. So our next video, we would like to do like a story time. So if you want to comment down below what you guys would like to hear
About a laugh.
about us, just let us know in the comments down below.
Good night.